traveling, exploring, and learning on the road. Family's Family Road Trip.
So we've been staying in the Winnebago for almost 2 weeks now. So we're going to give you a tour and show you how it's going and how we managed to get all of our stuff to fit in here with 7 people. So lots of tour videos. People would clean first. We don't really have much to clean or much other place to put stuff. So you're definitely seeing it how we are living in it. So we have the couch here where one boy sleeps, and the other 2 boys have to fold this down into a bed to sleep here. And Brittany's space is up here. Brittany keeps all of her stuff up here. In our cupboards, we have books and electronic stuff up there, and extra dishes and towels and washcloths up on that side. Over on this side, we've got our food. And we keep our Papa plate and Papa napkin, of course, there. And up here we have our condiments and Ziploc bags, foil, stuff like that, and our dish soap. And then some of our dishes are down here. We have some forks and spoons and our utensils, and we've got these drawers for some baking stuff and our canned foods. Since they're heavy, we didn't want them up in the top cabinet, so we kept those down low. And we keep some food up here above the fridge, and of course, refrigerated stuff in the fridge. And we have to make use of our shower. We are keeping our fruits and vegetables in there right now. We haven't taken a shower in here yet, and so we're able to store our stuff in here. We got all of our towels hanging, and we keep our dirty laundry basket in here also. And so that's a good use of that space. Once we need to use the shower, we'll have to clear that out in order to use it, but we have everything right now in a Rubbermaid tub, so it'll be easy to just take it out and use it when we need it. We'll go back to under the couch. We do have our storage boxes where the kids keep their toys, and we all keep our shoes down there. When we are traveling, the boys all sit at the dinette, and me and Brittany sit over on the couch. So far, Doug has been driving, and we put Emmett's baby seat here while we're driving so he can be rear facing, and then we can entertain him. And then when we're not driving, we just move it over so that we have another seat. So it's a pretty good seating area. There's enough room for everybody to sit in here, and it's pretty comfortable. So that's been working out well. A couple things that we've done are we made like little hangers for the boys who wear glasses when they go to bed. There's one here and there's one up there. When they go to bed, they're able to put their glasses in there so they have a safe place to store them. Okay, right over here we do have our dry erase board. We put our Alaska map up there. Once we get further up into Alaska, we're going to have to turn the map around so we can see the other side because we only have so much space. We can't fit the whole map. The kids have their journals and writing stuff here and drawing books, and so that's nice and handy. We've just got a bag with pencils, so they're able to get to all that stuff. All right, in the bathroom, we put one of these shoe racks that's been super handy. It holds a lot of things. And then we put the bar up there from IKEA that has the cups for all of our toothbrushes and stuff. We do have one cabinet up here, but it's very shallow, so it doesn't hold a whole lot. I found a fault with my curtain. I made it very small. It's enough to block the window. But with the mirror here, you can see right through and into the mirror and outside. So we've had a towel up there. Right here, as you can see in the mirror, all you see is trees. But when we're parked near other people, they can see right in. So we just put up a towel since our curtain obviously doesn't work well on its own. All right, back in the bedroom. During the day, the boys just pile all their blankets here on this bed so that we can have usable space out there. Up here, we're able to keep all of our clothes. These cupboards are super nice because they have drawers in them. And so all of the boys have drawers to keep their clothes in. And so each boy has 2 drawers Right now there's 4 in each, so that's enough for all the boys. All right, we have the counter also, which is nice just for a place to store all of our stuff and put it. We do have to move it when we're traveling, but we just move it to the bed and it stays there. And under the bed there is storage. There's a couple different compartments. This whole side right here we can access by lifting up the bed. The back side under there we can access from outside, so we put tools in it. This side we can access from here, so it's got our paper plates, napkins, extra toilet paper. We can either use this cupboard door or lift up the top. The door's not really easy to get to with the mattress because you can see the mattress sticks out much further than the wood there, and so it's probably a bigger mattress than it's supposed to be, which is great for sleeping on, but not for storage. So this cupboard is difficult to get to. It also has drawers in there, but we can't open them because the bed's in the way. So in order to get to it, we have to move the bed. And so we just put stuff in there that we don't need to use as often. Brittany crocheted us some little hangers to keep our cups in. The boys' cups all have handles. And so we just put hooks up there so that we can store all of our cups. We haven't found a good place yet for our water bottles. And so for now, they're just sitting on the counter. On moving day, we just have to toss them all in the sink so they don't roll around. And that's it. That's how we managed to get everything to fit in our 27-foot Winnebago. And now we're off to Alaska.